Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Free Fire notifications on your Android phone. Go to the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon. This is where you can manage all the important options and features on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your phone model. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list and find Free Fire. Tap on it to open the app information page. Inside this menu, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. You will see a main toggle switch at the top of the screen. Simply tap on that toggle to turn off all notifications from Free Fire. Once the switch is turned off, you will no longer receive alerts, updates, or promotional notifications from the game. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy Android tutorials.